Hi, my name is Zach Valescott from Coppell, Texas, and I'm excited to share with you my work on the moringa oleifera cationic protein, specifically as a floculating agent for many of these large-scale water purification systems. Now, this project stems from a much larger issue of water inequity, or the lack of clean water in many of our developing nations. My family village back home in India actually endured one of its worst floods in its history, which destroyed many of the existing water reservoirs that were there before. In my fascination for biomimicry, 2 years ago I first started this project when I discovered the moringa seeds as a solution that is more cost efficient than existing purifiers and is native to many of these regions where a lot of these water issues arise. And this is actually a powdered form of the moringa, which I used for my testing. After the past 2 years of this testing, the objective this year was to identify any impact of the plant material over time in my water samples, and to identify any possible bacterial regrowth that may occur. This testing is particularly important in understanding if purified water can remain pure over long periods of time. To do so, the powdered form of my moringa seeds were applied to 10 of these samples, while the remaining 10 were left as a control group. Both were then tested each hour for turbidity as well as pH. And after the 5 hours were complete, the data was processed using the mean variance t-tests, but also in a TensorFlow AI prediction model to extract meaning from the data and to identify any trends over time. And what did I find out? Well, first and foremost, I found out that the purification properties of the moringa seeds plants effectively purify the water within the first hour of the testing. However, in the hours following the initial testing, the results were actually inconclusive. This is because the turbidity continued to increase in quality, while the pH continued to decrease in quality. Thank you.